Today we're introducing a 3D fiber cleaning cloth. This product is made from PVA material. You can take a look at its texture, a true 3D raised pattern, very sleek and visually appealing. In daily home use when cleaning furniture, doing household cleaning, or wiping glass and mirrors, it's often very troublesome and the surface never feels truly clean. So let's do a simple comparison. This here is a glass tabletop we have at home. Glass mirrors, and when we usually wipe home appliances, we normally use this kind of regular cloth. After wiping with a regular cloth, the surface is full of watermarks, and once it dries, it sheds lint because it's ordinary fiber material. Ours is made from PVA. Now let's look at its water absorption. Just wipe once like this. It only takes 2 to 3 seconds. All water stains and marks are completely gone. So how strong is its absorption? Here's a cup with 300 milliliters of water. We pour it into this basin. Let's see how well this cloth absorbs water. Once you place the towel on the wet area, it immediately absorbs the water. All 300 milliliters of water in the basin in just a few seconds are completely absorbed. And unlike ordinary towels or sponges, which drip water after absorbing, this towel doesn't drip a single drop. Its water-locking ability is excellent. Now, let's talk about carpets at home. When we drink beer, soda, or juice at home, if you accidentally spill it and it gets onto the carpet, or if a child wets the bed, normally you have to hire someone to deal with it, and that costs a lot of money. If you use paper towels at home, you only absorb the surface moisture. The liquid still seeps deep inside. If not treated in time, it will mold and smell. With our towel, just place it on the wet area. You can see the moisture being naturally absorbed upward. Where it absorbs, it dries immediately. We press it by hand. Because carpets are relatively thick, you can absorb multiple times. It pulls moisture out from underneath the carpet. There's no moisture left at the bottom. You can check the surface here. There is still a little moisture remaining. For thicker carpets, we can absorb it twice. With ordinary cloths, you can only use them dry. Once they get wet and are wrung out, they no longer absorb water. Our towel can be reused repeatedly. Just wring it dry, and every use delivers the same performance. It has many different uses. For example, at home, sometimes clothes are hard to dry. Or when traveling on business or on trips, it's also very useful. Just roll it, press it, and squeeze. You can see there is still moisture on the surface. Let's absorb once more. Now, take a look at the result. It absorbs both moisture and water completely. Now let's look at the carpet again. All moisture is gone. The surface is completely dry and fresh. All the water has been absorbed into the fiber cloth. After wringing it dry, it can be reused again. Earlier, we poured 300 milliliters of water. After wringing it out, let's take a look. We pour it back to demonstrate recovery. It's still roughly 300 milliliters. Its absorption power far exceeds ordinary fiber cloths. After wiping glass or mirrors, there are 0 watermarks. Even more impressive, it doesn't shed a single fiber. Now let's compare with a regular cloth. Using a regular cloth to wipe a table leaves circular water stains everywhere. Now look at our 3D cloth. Water is absorbed instantly on contact. The tabletop dries in seconds with no marks. No lint is shed throughout the process. After wiping, the surface is clean with no residue. Now wipe a computer screen with a regular cloth. That causes invisible damage. The screen ends up covered with water streaks. Switch to our 3D cloth. After wiping, 0 watermarks and 0 lint. Even high-end furniture will not have a single scratch left.